BioProcess International Academy, or BPI Academy, was formed out of a partnership between BioProcess International, which is BPI, and Pharmaceutical Training International, which is PTI. BioProcess International is a global publication and a conference, and it provides the pharmaceutical community with really insightful content, and this helps them develop the therapeutics of tomorrow. So PTI was established more than 20 years ago and provides really exceptional technical training for pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical professionals in all areas really of drug development, so from preclinical and clinical to manufacturing and regulatory affairs. And since we began 2 decades ago, PTI has trained thousands of life science professionals and continues to grow. The huge growth experienced in the biopharmaceutical sector over the past few years means top talent is really hard to find, and this could easily and very soon have a negative impact on the future success of the sector. Organisations need to keep their employees knowledgeable, they need to keep them competent, and importantly they need to keep them engaged to ensure that the company itself continues to innovate and grow. And they need to be able to offer individual career progression to hold on to that talent once they have it. Training is a really excellent way for companies to achieve this, because you're giving your employees access to the very latest technical skills, competencies and technologies. We work really closely with our colleagues in the BPI production and conference teams so that we can deliver a really extensive course portfolio, and this will be determined by the latest industry trends and requirements. You can expect a really practical perspective and direct feedback on the challenges that you're facing. Our team of experts all have a minimum of 10 years experience in the industry, and most of them actually have at least 20-25 years experience. So they're really working with you on problems that they understand to get you to the solutions that you need. We believe it's really important in any role to keep learning, and we do believe that even the most experienced professional would benefit from our courses, but I would say that professionals in manufacturing would probably find our courses especially useful. We really believe we've got the most extensive training portfolio in the biopharmaceutical sector. So you can study a whole range of topics, from things like continuous manufacturing to single-use systems to CMC analytical studies, and right through to things like upstream and downstream processing. Our sister brands, PTI and EBD Academy, also provide training in regulatory affairs, clinical, manufacturing and also business development, and that includes licensing and training in investment. So we really offer 3 main formats for our training. So the online option provides very affordable, accessible, very flexible learning, and that's for professionals who enjoy learning with things like bite-sized videos, interaction with the course leader and reading materials. And finally, BPI Academy can also create customised training that's designed to meet your requirements, and we would come and visit you on site and do extensive research into what you really need before we start the training. Training is a really excellent way for companies to achieve this, because you're giving your employees access to the very latest technical skills, competencies and technologies.